Hey guys, my name is Rick. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 essential ways to track and manage your dividends on Fidelity that every investor using the platform should know. Over the past year to year and a half, Fidelity has introduced some new tools that most investors have absolutely no idea exist that make managing your dividends and tracking your progress unbelievably easy. So if you don't know these, you really should, because it will take your investments to a whole nother level. In the following screen recording, I'm going to show you how to view your estimated dividend income coming up over the next year for all of your securities. I'm going to take you back in time and allow you to see how Fidelity has compiled all of your dividend income since you started your account and provides it to you in a cool chart form so you can see your progress over time. I'm also going to show you the new way to enroll in the DRIP method, the Dividend Reinvestment program with Fidelity, so you can get your dividends reinvesting automatically. All right, the first feature we're going to look at that is helpful for dividend investing is a feature that allows us to project yearly dividends out with our current portfolio. Before, you probably had to do this by hand or just make an estimate or set a goal and then track it in the past to see if you've met it. Fidelity makes it really easy. You're going to go under Accounts and Trade. Portfolio is the tab that we're on now. Go ahead and click on Positions to get here. And you're probably very used to viewing this overall summary of all of your positions, but we're going to look at the Dividend View tab. Under the Dividend View tab, you'll see all of your securities still listed there. We're going to focus on the estimated annual income. Go over and click that button to sort either lowest to highest at the bottom, or most of you are going to want it sorted top down and see your biggest dividend yielders listed first. This is in their current state. If you did not add $1 or subtract $1 to the portfolio, it accurately estimates what they would pay out over the next year. Pretty cool to see your biggest hitters in this. 2 other features I like is being able to see and easily sort the dividend yields of each security. I can see my highest is IBM and currently paying out a 5.15% dividend yield. I also like this percentage of account. This tells you what percent each individual holding takes up for your overall account. Okay, we've just looked out into the future, estimating what we're going to make in dividend income. Now let's see the progress of the work that we've done so far. This is going to show us how to see our dividend income every single period going back really as far as we want. So to find this, go to Accounts and Trade and into Portfolio again. This time you're going to select the Performance tab. Once you're on the Performance tab and it loads, there's a lot of cool information in this tab, by the way, and Fidelity has done a good job of updating it to kind of track exactly how you're doing. Go to the income chart. Just switch from balances to income, and this shows you specifically dividend income. Right now it's set to the past year and how much every single month, July 2021 to July 2022, I've made. You can find some details. Say in December 2021, I made $273.07 in dividends, and it also gives you the average for this time, that average being $106.25. That's all laid out here, but this is really beneficial for showing you the progress that you've made if you extend your timeline back. I'll go through 5 years of investing, and as you can see, in July of 2017, I only made $3.17. But look how that grows as the portfolio compounds as you continue to add more money. So you can play around with the different features in there, but a very useful piece looking backwards at your progress. And finally, I want to show you exactly how to automate your investing and where that is for dividend reinvestment. You'll go again into the Portfolio tab under Accounts and Trades. This one is under Positions as well. And you'll click this little button here under the individual account called Manage Dividends. Inside this, it will show all of your securities that you currently own. Those are stocks or ETFs. You'll click Update to select what you want to happen once you receive a dividend from the security. If you haven't touched this before, it'll be under Deposit into Core Account. You'll flip that over to Reinvesting in security. You can select that this decision is made for every single stock or ETF that you own. And you can also say that whenever I buy one, if it pays a dividend here with this button, I want it to invest back into the same stock. This is called a DRIP, or a dividend reinvestment program. It allows your dividends to snowball and buy tiny fractional shares in the original company they came from. So that company and your position in that company, I should say, can grow bigger. And you'll just hit update to confirm this change. Thank you guys for watching another tutorial video specifically with Fidelity. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate, drop them below in the comments. All right, have a great day.